Open the door. Open the door. Clean the kitchen. Clean the kitchen. Wash the plate. Wash the plate. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Run quickly. Run quickly. Fry the egg. Fry the egg. Sit down here. Sit down here. Open the fridge. Open the fridge. Turn off the fan. Turn off the fan. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Cut the paper. Cut the paper. Draw a circle. Draw a circle. Pick up the pen. Pick up the pen.
Pen.
Hold this cup. Hold this cup. Stop here. Stop here. Open the box. Open the box. Write your name. Write your name. Open your bag. Open your bag.
Open your bag.
Clean the table. Clean the table. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Pick up the book. Pick up the book. Cut the bread. Cut
The
bread.
bread.
Color the picture. Color the picture.